Hey guys, it is Justin here, and today we are going to look at how you can use Google Gemini and NotebookLM to optimize your YouTube videos for better performance and better SEO as well. So what you're going to need is Google Gemini or NotebookLM depending on which route you're going to go. So I recommend using Google Gemini if you have a brand new video that has not been uploaded yet to YouTube. And then I recommend NotebookLM for if you have an existing YouTube video that you would like to optimize. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to Gemini. And the reason we use Gemini and not ChatGPT, for example, is because you can't upload videos to ChatGPT in the same way you can to NotebookLM and Google Gemini. So first thing we do is upload the video to Google Gemini and we wait for it to upload. Then we're going to use this prompt to tell Gemini and NotebookLM to analyze the video and provide us with a bunch of different optimizations that we will use to implement in YouTube itself. So this is quite a comprehensive prompt, and I've left a link to it in the description should you want to check it out. It's completely free. So basically this prompt is going to prompt Gemini and NotebookLM to analyze the video and then provide us with a title, an optimized description, timestamps and chapters, which is a really nice little user experience trick, and doesn't really do much for rankings, but it helps people navigate through your videos a lot easier, which is a good experience for them. So also it provides tags and hashtags as well for your description. And then from 6 onwards, there are a few different extras. Now I would say everything from 1 to 5 is what I tend to use on every single video. And 6 all the way down is more just a sort of bonus analysis and output as well. So let's just copy this prompt. And what we will do once we've copied it is we will paste it in Google Gemini with the video attached, and we will run it as such. So what this will do is analyze the video, like I mentioned, and Google Gemini really does analyze videos quite well, completely understands what they're about, so the output is really good. Now let's just head over to NotebookLM and show you exactly how you do it for an existing video. So the reason we use the existing video, so you will copy the address of it, then you will go create new notebook, and as the source we will add YouTube there. So with NotebookLM you can't upload the video like you can in Gemini, but you can add a link to the existing YouTube video and kind of do the same thing. So that is why we use NotebookLM for an existing video and Gemini for a brand new video. So with with NotebookLM, we will copy the prompt, but let's just copy the first 5 because we don't need everything. So the first 5 points there, we will copy it, paste it into NotebookLM, and then NotebookLM does basically the same thing, analyzing the video and then providing us with an output. So now we head back into Gemini and we see what it has done for us. So it's given us 3 title options, it's given us a description, and it's also given us timestamps. So when you add timestamps, all you have to do is just paste it in the description like this, and it automatically creates chapters within the video so that users can navigate. It's also given a little call to action there as well. And you can fiddle around with the prompt to kind of give it a bit more context and a bit more output should you wish. You know, if you want a more detailed description, you can tweak the prompt as such. It's also given us tags, which is necessary for YouTube videos, and a few hashtags for the description as well. So I do this for every single brand new video, and if I want to further optimize it, I will go into NotebookLM and do the same thing. Now the output in NotebookLM is a bit more, well, it's structured a bit differently, but essentially the output is the same. So it also gives you 3 options there, gives you a description, timestamps, and if you want to reformat this, you can just copy it and paste it into Gemini just to kind of reformat the text, but this is not really necessary. It's just a little extra step to make life a little bit easier for you. So this is how you optimize your YouTube videos using Google Gemini and NotebookLM. And I hope you find this useful. Again, I've left a link to the prompt in the description. So if you would like to check that out, feel free. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.